WasteAid helps people turn waste into useful products. This is a demonstration of how to recycle woody waste into charcoal briquettes using dry woody material like mango leaf, maize husks, groundnut or coconut shell, an oil drum with holes in the bottom, a binder and a briquette mould. Put your woody waste in the drum and light it. Place a chimney on top if you have one. Allow time for the material to turn black but not to burn to ash. Stir the contents to make sure it is burning evenly. Move the drum onto the ground to stop the airflow and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Tip the char into a wheelbarrow and sprinkle with water to put out the flames. Let the charcoal cool down. Crush it into a powder. Mix the charcoal and the binder. Use just enough binder to hold the mixture together. Push the mixture into the briquette mould and press it firmly. Remove the briquette and leave to dry in the sun. 2 to 7 days depending on the climate. These charcoal briquettes burn hotter and longer than normal charcoal and cost less to make. WasteAid.org.uk